Hello. Remember, we started a new unit, Unit 3, The Thoughtful Consumer. We are on week 9, and we will go to day 2, Tuesday, April 6th. Let's see what you have to do for today. First, you'll watch this video, then you'll click Async. Remember, async homework. You have 2 activities. The first activity is in Mel, and you have 2 activities. You will do a grammar coach, present perfect and present perfect continuous. The grammar coach is just explanation. Then you will do the activity number 1. Okay, please do your Mel assignments, my friends. The second one is fact versus opinion. Yesterday we talked about the difference. You're going to read this text, and in this text, you're going to find 2 to 3 facts, 1 to 2 opinions, and put them here in the chat, in the comment box, not the chat, in the comment box. So you will read this text, and you will find 2 to 3 facts and 1 to 2 opinions, and you put them here in the comment section. That's it for async. It's Tuesday, so we have class together on Zoom, so we will check sync. We will talk about our One World topics. So those of you who came to class on Thursday, we talked about our writing initiative, One World. So we're going to talk about the different topics in small groups, and we'll do a present perfect progressive activity. And that's it for today. Good luck.